Hello, hello. This is Sharif or Just Nailed It. Today's video is a Glitter Girls collaboration on glitter and all that bling. So I am using my glitter pots by Model 1, 04, 06, 03, 02, and 05. These are the colors I'm using. Let me get set up and I will be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. The set that I'm using is Model 1's 6-color glitter pots. This is a new set. Well, let me see what princess these. Oh, here is little kitty crying. I'm just gonna throw my thinking off now. I'm using Harley Marie today to do my manicure on, and I thank her for her assistance. We've got the blue, what color to call that? The pink, the black, and the golds. So this one, I don't know, it's like a something hollow. I already had the first coat on along with my base coat. So I am going to go in with the second coat here. And these are beautiful, beautiful collection, very sparkly. That is why I chose them. Perfectly good reason why I chose them. This is a glitter collaboration, and I figured I got the glitter and the polish all in one shebang. So this was the blue, and that is 005. Sorry if there's a glare. Let me put these away as I go. Oh my goodness. Just found two of my She Modern bottles in my little case for these. Fine place for those to be. Fine place. So next, I'm gonna skip because I don't know which one that really is. Whoops. I really like these. I think these are really beautiful. Really beautiful. There we go. I think that pink is just outstanding. I'm going to clean my brush. Let me show you the brush here in a minute. Full view. I don't know what to call it. This is a Model 1's brush. Let me move Harley. There we go. And you just pop it open. Great idea. Great idea that they came up with. And this was, the pink is 004. Next we're going to go in with the black. I really like this one too. I think this is really pretty. Really pretty. Trying to get more by the cuticle area here. Just so it's more sparkly. Is that a word? Sparkly? Sparklier? I hope so. So I just used it as one. And the black is 006. Just gotta wipe this and clean this brush off for our next color. Don't forget, in the comments and description will be in the comments will be the first comment there. It'll be pinned for the playlist, so you can watch everybody's video Just click on it, sit back, and relax and watch everybody's playlist that is taking part in the glitter collaboration. I'm not sure how many there are this time. Last time there was like, I don't know, 12 of us. And I did my first coat, the base coat and everything, so the video would be shorter. So that, you know, I'm not like 30-minute video here. So the golds 003. And the last culprit is this beautiful one right here. That is 002. Just in case you want to know, in case you ever want to go to Model One's website itself or Amazon. If you go to modelones.com, I do have a 10% off code. I will flash that on the screen, as well as my codes are always in the description box. I'm having trouble with one of the glitters here. There we go. So yeah, in my description box is always useful information. You will get all my discount codes for any place I am an ambassador to, like Soy Magnificence, the Candyland Shop, Model Ones. Who else is there? I know, oh, Mamiology. So yes, always check that out. You never know what you're going to find then in the description box. Close this all up. Again, this was number 002. We are going to pop these in the lamp and cure for 60 seconds, and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Meant to pause the camera and I actually stopped it. So, whoopsie. So here's our nails, all glittery and sparkly. I think they're beautiful. I really do. What does y'all think? So now I'm going to put some bling on. And I will be using Princess Diana's top coat to adhere and to top coat. So, plus I might want to use these three. So yeah, yeah. I'm gonna pause because now I'm undecisive, so I will be right back. Alrighty, I'm back with the best of my ability. I had picked out some gems here before me. I'm gonna start on the pinky nail and apply some top coat and apply some bling. Not sure if you're even going to be able to see it because it's basically the same color as the glitter polish. But I'm still doing it. There we go. Not sure if you can even see that. Can you leave me a comment down below and let me know if you can see said pinky nails bling? We are going to skip over to the pink nail. I really like this pink too. Pink, pink, pink. It's one of my faves. Depending on what time of the year it is and how I'm feeling. It could be purple, black, pink. Yeah. You never know. You never know. There we go. Done with the pink nail. Now we're going to skip over to the blue. Now these are blue gems that I am putting on. Not sure if they're visible or not. But, can you see them? Can you see them? We're still gonna try. Putting bling all over the nail, like pretty well covering it with it. I think they look neato. Neato. So now we've got the black nail to do, and this one, I don't know what color to call this. Rose gold, maybe? I don't know. So let me see here. Get a couple of these ones out. I gotta figure out the black. I think the black, I'm just gonna put the big white ones on. Won't that's a lot of top coat. Whole lot of top coat. I think this mani turned out really cute. Very, very sparkly. Very, very sparkly. So leave me a comment down below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Click the bell. Click the bell. Always click the bell so you get notified of all future videos. That way you stay informed of what's going on with my channel. Any videos that I'm going to be doing. I can't even see here myself on this nail. So we're going to call it a day with that part. I'm going to stick this in the lamp and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Our manicure is complete. They are glittery, they are sparkly, they are covered in gems, each nail. Hope you can see them. I really hope you can see each one individually, like that they're really cool looking. Hope you can. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, check out all the other girls' videos. Watch them in entirety because, you know, our watch time, our statistics are showing that our videos are not being watched in entirety. So keep that in mind when viewing. Always click the like button, share, comment below, and always, always subscribe. We are here for your enjoyment as well as our own. But always subscribe, click the bell so you're notified of all future videos. And don't forget to show all the other glitter girls some support and appreciation. We would greatly appreciate it, and I know I sure would. And I think this is the end. Hope you enjoyed. I know this was short and sweet, but that's what I was trying to aim for. So, I achieved it. And I hope you enjoyed. Hope you can see these good enough. Well, have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you for watching.